Hi, welcome to my house.
I don't know nobody on my level, dripping stars like a boss, plus I'm rocking.
Finally, it's high time you guys saw my house, and this is the walk-in. First of all, come. I just like this tiny little space where you just walk in, remove your shoes, put them over there. Let me put them right for you. And then you can close this door. Come in. Okay, so this tiny space, I'm sorry guys, but this is the best lighting we could get over here. Put them here just to make so that this place can be nice and empty. I put a little bit of my shoes there. Then the first door you meet is the bathroom door. It's small, I know, don't mind guys. I cleaned up some shoes in the morning and I didn't have anywhere to put them out, so I put them here. What convinced me to pick this bathroom? The lady told us that we could hang out our clothes outside, like after we're done washing them. And I considered that, and like the whole house, I was like, come on, the bathroom can't be the deal breaker, considering that it took us a long time to find this house. So yeah, toilet, machine, shower, quite simple. On to the next room. So you walk into the living room. First of all, if you haven't seen this kind of TV, I think we should just switch it on, right? Wait, I thought it was working when we were coming. Honestly, I decided to leave this here. Of course, this place has so much storage, but I decided to leave this here just for the factor, like the old school. I feel like this house has the more of the old school vibe, so I decided to leave it here, so don't judge. This is a place where I study. Of course, we had to bring James. This is one of James' babies. If this got lost, I'm also lost. And I love this piece over here. It's just a simple place to study. It has a CPU, but we still haven't figured that place out. The other thing, okay, this couch, let me tell you the story behind this couch. The lady had a cat. If you haven't seen my Snapchats and everything, I'm very allergic to cats. So that just remains like that. It's still in the process of vacuum and like fur, like it has so much fur, so we're not even gonna get close to there. The window, let's just say we're gonna take pictures here. Then onto here,
There's a security number over here.
what security number?
Like, this just means this is Ukraine.
Oh, okay.
There's a blue flag for Ukraine.
And cute plants, by the way. Cute plants. She wanted to take them away, but Mr. James was
like, no, we're gonna water them and keep them, okay, so.
That's why they're here. One other thing I liked about this house is the fact that it has massive storage. But I tell you guys, this house has so much storage. Let me tell you, it needs a ladder. It needs a ladder to access. Shortness is gonna kill us, but it needs a ladder to access the most highest parts of this place. Oh, there's so many things that I need to look at over here, huh? Yeah, but to access these higher places, even to wash this mirror, it needs a ladder. So this came in handy. And the mirrors, of course, you need good mirrors for the mirror selfies, you know. So I loved the mirror part. One other thing I loved was this. This house has, the owner is Orthodox, is from Orthodox, so there are so many Catholic Orthodox things, which honestly I don't mind. Like if it's her religion, I won't even meddle with that. One other thing I loved about the house is, look at this chandelier. Now, has only one bulb. We're gonna fix that place. Like this is the most, I haven't done anything to this house yet. Like it's very raw, like just as we got it. So don't mind, we're gonna put more bulbs and it's gonna look more of shimmery and cute. This couch, the good thing about this couch is that it can open up and become a bed. Should we show them? You can just push it out like this. And voila! This can accommodate you and your boyfriend if you want to come for a sleepover. Huh? And by the way, this, as much as I'm not also gonna touch it, is also, can I just do this, James?
Yeah.
This is also a sofa bed. It opens up and it's a sofa bed. I don't want to show you much, but that's also a sofa bed for in case you come with your kids. I'm telling you, we got you covered. So let me just put this back real quick. Whew, that was some exercise. So on to the next room. My favorite part of this house, like my favorite, is this bedroom. So come. So first of all, can you see how big this bedroom is? How airy, how light, how we're gonna make memories here, baby. So yeah, the bed, this, however low it is, baby, this bed is so low, but it is the most comfortable bed. I'm not even hyping it or anything. James, is it comfortable?
Sometimes, yeah.
What do you mean by sometimes?
It's a bit small.
It's small?
Yeah.
Small as in like this or like this?
Which other small space?
Like this. Yeah. Oh, so you want like a king size? Okay.
Yeah, these are 5x6 and I find it quite small.
So for me that is comfortable. And then, as I told you guys, the owner was a very Orthodox Catholic, so we're just gonna, she did her thing over here. This clock, James won it. These days, by the way, we've been church going people, so James won some questions. He was asked some questions in church and he won himself a clock. So church.
Oh, it was a cell meeting, Stephanie.
Oh, cell meeting.
It was an event.
Yeah, he explained it, an event. He answered some questions for a cell meeting contest in church. So watch, ornaments. And then another thing, you know, like when you want to get your romance, foreplay, whatever. So we have some lighting here that you can maybe make those moments. And I told you, and I said that I wish you guys had seen Jim's face. And then off with the bed, very enough storage space. A lot of storage space, like a lot of it. This piece, I saw it and I was secretly hoping that she left it, and by God's heaven she left it. But this I felt went well with this, the color and the, how can you say it? That word. I'm gonna put it down there somewhere. The mirrors. Can you just see, guys? Look at all this. From here to here. All this is storage. I don't know if I have really folded my clothes nicely. Please don't judge. But all this is storage. Again, I haven't put anything up there because your girl is too short. She's gonna have to use the ladder. But here, so much storage space, guys, for the coats and all that jazz inside there. See, there's so many things, so much storage. And this other side too. Then there's this other TV over here, as if we've had enough of old school, another old school. She also left this plant here, which I don't mind. Honestly, she gave a whole Russian tutorial of how to take care of that plant. I didn't understand anything, but I googled, so we are good. And guys, the window. Let me show you the deal breaker for this house. Like, not the deal breaker, what made me like take this house. You see over here, this is gonna be Tuta's school. So I'm just gonna be saying hi to Tuta over there playing as I'm here in the house working or doing whatever it is that I'm doing. But this is a school and the road is right over here, so like it's very accessible. Last but not least, the kitchen. when we were searching for houses, most of the houses that we were getting were studio, like with kitchen and sitting room together. There's no partition. And then I saw this kitchen. I saw this sink. I saw the gas that I really wanted. I was tired of the whole electricity shit. I saw a bread bin. I saw like an oven. The house that we were in didn't have an oven. I saw this huge chunk of a fridge. Not very much stocked, but we saw the fridge. And I just fell in love. I saw this place where I can just like, as I'm cooking, maybe James is giving me stories of how politics happen as I'm cooking something for him. And like I was sold. I was 100% sold. Imagine Tuta seated here like doing her assignments as I'm making something real quick with her. This is like the dream house. So, not the dream house, this is a good kitchen. So, I feel like this is it for today. For this time, I'm gonna keep putting a little bit of my small touches here and there to try and make it as homey as I can. But that's it for this house tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure that you comment, share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!